Cleaning your sprayer is an important step to keep it running at maximum performance and efficiency. Before cleaning your sprayer, always perform the pressure relief procedure. To do this, engage the gun trigger lock. Turn the on-off switch to off. Turn the pressure control to the lowest setting. Reverse the spray tip and disengage the gun trigger lock. Hold a metal part of the gun firmly to a grounded metal pail and trigger the gun to relieve pressure. Engage the trigger lock. Turn the prime valve to the prime or drain position. With the pressure relief procedure complete, remove the tip guard and spray tip from the gun. Remove the fluid intake and drain tube from the paint and wipe any excess paint off the outside. Place the fluid intake into flushing fluid. Place the drain tube into a waste pail. Turn the prime valve to spray. With the gun pointed into the paint bucket, pull the gun trigger. Then, turn the on-off switch to on. Increase the pressure while continuing to pull the gun trigger. When the paint flow ends and you see flushing fluid appear, turn the on-off switch to off and release the gun trigger. Move the gun to the flushing bucket and pull the trigger. Then, turn the on-off switch to on. Cycle the pump until the flushing fluid runs clear. Turn the on-off switch to off and release the gun trigger. Turn the prime valve to the prime position. Turn the on-off switch to on. Allow flushing fluid to circulate until the fluid coming out of the drain tube is clear. Raise the fluid intake from the bucket above the flushing fluid. Turn the on-off switch to off. Turn the prime valve to spray. Turn the on-off switch to on. Trigger the gun into a flushing pail to purge the fluid from the hose. Turn the on-off switch to off. Release the gun trigger and engage the trigger lock. Turn the pressure control knob to the lowest pressure setting. Then, disconnect power to the sprayer. Remove the filters from both the gun and sprayer. Clean them, along with the tip and tip guard, with your flushing fluid and a soft bristle brush. Also, inspect them for any damage. If you flushed your sprayer with water, flush again with mineral spirits or pump armor to leave a protective coating which prevents freezing and corrosion. Wipe your sprayer, hose, and gun with a rag soaked in water or mineral spirits. Properly cleaning your sprayer and storing it in a safe, dry place will ensure your Graco sprayer will be ready for your next project.